This right here is the Mounting Dream UL. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is so thin that the TV right here is hanging on the wall, and it is only 1.5 inches from the wall itself. So this mounting setup is pretty simple. If you've ever mounted a TV, the instructions are clear to follow. It has a double hook design with safety straps at the bottom. So this fits your standard 18, 16-inch, or 24-inch studs, and it can hold a TV that's up to 132 pounds. This TV right here that I'm about to show you is a Sony 52-inch TV. It definitely doesn't weigh 132 pounds, but I just want you to be able to see just how sleek this design is. So there's the TV right there. I'll focus the shot. So TV is hanging on the wall. You can see that we put a cable protector underneath it to sort of hide it right there. So all we have is the power cable. It's a smart TV, and then instead of running an outlet all the way where the mount is, and then boom, that is it. It is so gnarly thin and so close to the wall that mounting it just makes it look like it's almost glued on the wall right there. Like there's so little gap. The only reason you can tell is because we have a drop shadow from the light that's coming here. But if there was no shadow, like when the light is just from the windows, then the TV looks absolutely fantastic. So if you're looking for a super sleek, low profile mount that gives you a little bit of adjustability in terms of tilt, I think it's 5 degrees up and down, then this is the mount that you're looking for.